Gonna bed off.
We're probably gonna have to do a jibe, okay?
Is it on or off?
On.
No. On.
It will be a jibe, yeah?
Yeah, they did it. Yeah.
The Canada is doing something very strange, which is good. Fucking Dutch. Hold back.
Hold back. Yeah, lose, Rakesh. Let it go, let it go. Let it go.
Gone light.
Yeah. Down to 6.
Yeah, bring the pole back. Yeah, nice.
Oh, he's got his, he's sailing angles. That's why he did what he did.
It's very strange.
Maybe it's better to go a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
And then
Okay,
jibe.
pull forward.
Go forward.
Deeper, you mean higher?
Yeah, higher.
Another foot.
Then go higher.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Leave it where it is. Ease it, Ratish. See if you can get it. Well.
Nice, nice. Easy, easy, Ratesh, easy, easy.
Snapping already.
Yeah, make it flop a little bit.
So we wanna drive above them, do we? Where's the mark? Down to that bottom.
It's not this one, right?
Where the blue sail is, I guess.
Yes.
It's not this yellow and red, black, right?
Yeah, this yellow, yes. We have to leave this to port, and then we're gonna have to bear off.
Okay.
We're going to the left.
So we want to sail below them or above them?
I will go below and jibe.
No, they'll take our wind. I think we want to go above them. Yeah. So let them jibe while we go before them, yeah?
I will jibe before them.
So we go above them. You with me?
Yeah, Andre.
You ready for the jibe? Ready? Get ready, get ready. It's too late now, we're already taking them. Ready?
Popping left.
Jibing!
Wait.
Watch out your head.
Popping left.
Hey! Up! Back!
Fix that main, yeah?
Get the green in!
Get it right out. Get it out. Okay. Get it right out. Where's the mark? Hold right back. Whoever's on that fucking box. Francesco, get the fucking pole. Way back. Look up the mark. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Hold. Where's the mark?
Where's the mark? Okay, let's find the mark.
This is the starboard rounding, right? Is this big yellow one just in front of me?
We're just going to leave the starboard. Like 10 degrees.
What is this? West cardinal or no?
That's east cardinal.
East?
Yes.
Watch out, the spinner.
So come on, it's a yellow mark first of all.
Get the main out.
Push.
Way out. Look at it. Fuck. It's way in. Chris.
Yeah, just a second.
Get it out.
You're on the.
It's got to go way out. Go.
So it should be 120, 130. So right in front of us. Right in front. So we're just gonna
Way out,
slice.
further out,
Chris,
further out.
downhole. Should be like this.
So you see the wave breaker? The wave breaker. I mean, we're just gonna slice the wave
That's where
breaker.
the committee
It's right-
boat is, yeah? Where
Yeah.
the committee boat is.
I mean, you see this like.
The committee boat
Busy.
there, yeah?
Is there?
Yes!
Yeah. Okay, nice.
Right,
Yeah.
fuck. Simple stuff.
Yeah. If you,
The yellow one, right?
Yeah, has to be. Well, I'm wrong, yeah. Let you wrong.
Maybe Ratesh, let it loose a little bit more.
We need
Oh,
to
back, back, back,
concentrate,
look,
guys.
look.
You got just, we got the Genoa on the right side, okay? Yeah. Francisco, what are you gonna do on this mark? What are you gonna do? Francisco, wake up.
Yes,
What are you doing on this mark?
I'm going to bring it down here.
No.
We'll take it down.
What are you
Oh,
doing?
we
You gotta
jibe.
Slide the fucking pole
Yeah.
forward up to the mast.
We
and
go
let
right.
it go.
Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
So we will take the
The spinnaker down. Okay.
hook the Genoa.
So you slide it forward.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means
And then we jibe around the mark. Yeah.
We got a jibe.
Hey, we got a problem, haven't we?
yes.
So we got to get the spinnaker down. How are we going to do it? Spinnaker down first, then the Genoa up fast?
Yes.
Or flip the Genoa over now and get it up, which is the better way of doing it. Except you've got to get the pole down fast. You get me?
First pole down. We put the pole down first, then we get down the spin.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that means we need to get the spinnaker down. That means we haven't got enough people for all the jobs.
No. We have. The most simple
Hey.
thing is to get the spinnaker down and then we get the Genoa
JP,
up.
get your ass on that fucking boom before you kill somebody. Put your weight on it. Lean back on it. We will kill somebody if it jives. We're right dead downwind.
It's gonna be simple. Listen, we get the pole down, we get the jib up, and then the spinnaker down.
Better to do it the other way. Get the jib up now. It's job done. Yeah? Yeah, do it. Jib up.
But we don't have a winch now. We have to use another winch for the jib.
I don't give a fuck, yeah?
Me, what do you want me to do when I just let it go? Slowly.
Francis, you know what you're doing. You're in
Yeah.
control of this drop, yeah?
Yeah.
JP,
No,
you
I'm
keep
gonna
your
use
weight on
this
because
for
it's
the
really tricky here with dead downwind,
And
yeah?
the slack on the Genoa sheet.
Genoa sheet, slack. Take the slack in.
Can you just hold it without this? See if you can hold it. Can you hold it without this? Or it's-
Where's Tolga?
No, don't.
What are you doing, Tolga?
I'm just
You're
taking
gonna
one-
do, get it up! Get it up! Timos, wake up! For fuck's sake!
Watch out, we don't
Get it
want
up, get it up,
We
get
don't
it up.
want to.
Get it up!
Watch out, we are about to dive.
I know. I'm going deeper just to save the fucking boat, yeah? Hold. Ready to get. Okay, it's up. I'll go. Just lock it off and job done. Ready to get this. Dump this spinnaker, yeah?
Spinnaker fall down.
Not yet, not yet.
Go forward!
Hold forward.
Go forward!
Hold on. Okay, dump it!
Ready?
Dump it, that's you, Francisco.
Yeah.
Release.
Done.
Okay. And then we jibe the Genoa.
Okay, spinnaker halyard free. Release the spinnaker halyard.
Spinnaker!
Prepare the Genoa.
It's in the water, grab it.
Prepare the Genoa, we are going to dive.
Somebody help him.
Get it down the hatch. Ready for the drive. That's you, Chris, get in the center.
Bring the spinnaker here. Bring the spinnaker.
Traveller.
Jibe, guys. Ready for jibing?
Ready for the drive. Not yet, not yet, not yet. You ready for the drive? Ready. There's a halyard in the way. I can see it. Ready? Jibe it, yeah? Jibe.
Put your head.
Jibe.
Put your head.
Take it.
Okay. Get the sheeted in. I can see a halyard's in the way for the 10th time.
Wait.
Get that fucking halyard out of there. Topping lift. Get it off. Everything should be off. Topping lift off. Get it in, Francisco. Right, that's it, good. Main in. Okay, good. Ready to harden off that, whatever that line is, get it off, is it going to be in the way. Ready? Mate, wait up. Main up.
Okay, prepare for close haul, backstay.
Backstay I can't do, someone's going to have to do it for me. Main up.
Skirt. Skirt. Good.
Weight down. No power. Dimmers, when you're finished there, the hole should be done. On. Down, mate. Plug on the Cunningham as well, yeah. These are very easy shots, 10 seconds.
They gain so much time.
They had no load in it, yeah? Before the mark. Hold the weight up. Okay, then Dimos, run behind me and fix up the backstay. It's fun. I'm going higher. I need a bearing at some point, yeah? Got no Halliard tension. Wait, no, Dimos!
Tell me.
No Halliard tension in the channel.
I know, I was about to do this, but then we'll get back.
No, you talk to me too, yeah? I'm not fucking Mr. Know-all. Chris, more main.
Oh, this.
Pull it in!
Red.
It's okay. We are not going to use cardigan again? No. Can't stay so that.
We don't.
So we're going up to that top mark. I want height the whole way, yeah?
Yeah, M1, let's finish.
Main up. All main sheet, all main
So
sheet.
we lost 15 seconds on.
Right, that's it. That's all I can do. A small adjustment to main, massive. Wait up. Chris. Get it back up. That's it. Up. That's it.
So how are you with the backstay?
Get fixed there. Chris got it. Get your weight up. Everybody's weight up.
Fixed it?
Don't worry, just do it.
Chris. Weight up. Thanks.
That's with some lines.
Yeah, the right one is all the way inside. Should I let it go from here?
Well, let's see somebody's hitting on this one.
This is where we win the race if we're going to do it. This leg.
How many more marks?
That's it.
How many more marks?
That's it, finished.
This is the finish?
Yeah. M1. We're going to the winner. The first one. That's the first one.
No, don't disappear. I don't think we need to. Okay.
What is the mark?
Dimos,
Yeah,
I want an angle, yeah?
Yeah.
Coming up with this.
Yeah, finishing line. Yeah, that's it. M1. Is the James Bond M1?
Try and balance the boat. Walk down again. Just balance it and then leave it. Tell me an angle. I'm not doing anything. I'm just getting a height. Can't be.
We're checking on the...
Okay.
Okay, ease it. I can see a mark now with the boat. Yeah, I see the committee boat. Yeah, there. Ease it. I can see the finish line now. 235. It is correct. I can see the committee boat. Yeah, I can see it. That's much better.
More?
No.
Instead of 6.8.
Okay. Wait now, just wait. Wait and speed. If it lightens up, we go up, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
It's alright. Just a minute. Looks like it's much lighter down there. See them? There's a very light patch coming up, in which case we'll go up, yeah?
Okay.
Keep the boat going fast and come down in the windy bits.
He's trying to go up higher.
Yeah, that's what is he who?
Sandpiper.
He's trying to get the height and speed, yeah. He's going to beat us now.
Oh no.
Time.
Yeah, but he's lower. He's lower now.
Guys, which halyard is this one? Stefano, which halyard is banking? Can you tell? Also, the yellow, the way the halyard, it's a put the slack down.
Good, it's good.
Bring it back up.
Which one?
Where's the other boat?
7.5, very nice.
Is he underneath us?
Yeah.